Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a left-handed reverse comb, a lady comb combination. Knowing how to do a reverse comb would be helpful, though this is going to be a left-handed one. Knowing how to do a lady comb would be helpful. Links to those in the description below. And without further ado, we're going to jump straight in. Looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let's put it together. It starts off man's left, lady's right. We start with a return in the left hand, so we return the lady. Guys want to be palm up at this point. We're going to turn to our right. We're going to get round, leaving the lady's hand tucked at the back of the neck. We do our reverse comb coming off. Then we go over the top to comb the lady. You can use your right hand to help this as well by coming over to the left hand side down to the hip, because now all we're going to do is lead the lady in a return direction, so we can use both those points of contact to start the rotation off. We get the lady round, and instead of just stepping back, we do something that feels a little bit like the coming to face in a step across. So we get a little overturn, pull the hand down and square up. Let's do the same thing from the other side and think numbers. So we go back 1, return 2, guys go round 3, reverse comb 4, comb the lady 5, unwind 6, little twist 7. So let's put it together. Here we go, all together. Good luck. 5, 6, left-handed reverse comb, lady comb, back, ladies, guys, off, on, unwind and twist. And that's it. Hope you find that nice fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. Basically one of the windows will be a music video. That video will be a tune appropriate to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.